In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Elementor text hover effect with a WordPress text effect plugin. We'll start right inside your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look over to the left-hand side and find the plugins option. Hover your mouse over it, and from the menu that appears, click on Add Plugin. This will take you to the plugin marketplace, where you can install new features for your site. At the top left, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar, type in Essential Add-ons, and press Enter on your keyboard. In the search results, look for the plugin called Essential Add-ons for Elementor, and click to open its page. On the right-hand sidebar of that page, you'll see a card with an Install and Activate button. Go ahead and click that. WordPress will handle the installation and activation for you. And when it's done, you'll be redirected to your installed plugins page. Now that the plugin is active, let's move over to the page where you want to add your text hover effect. Again, look at the left-hand panel and click on Pages. This will show you a list of all your pages. Find the one you want to work on, hover your mouse over its title, and you'll see a few options appear underneath. Click on Edit with Elementor to open that page in the Elementor editor. Inside the Elementor editor, you'll see your page preview in the main area and the Elementor panel on the left. From this panel, scroll until you find either a heading widget or a text widget, depending on what kind of text you want to style. Click and drag that widget onto your page and drop it exactly where you want the text to appear. You can now type in your content and set up the basic text, like font, size, and alignment. To create the hover effect, stay with that same widget selected and look again at the left panel. You'll see three main tabs: Content, Style, and Advanced. You can adjust your normal text settings in Content and Style, but for the hover animation, switch to the Advanced tab. Scroll until you find Hover Interactions. Turn on Hover Interactions and also enable Show Preview in Editor so you can see your effect live as you tweak it. With Hover enabled, choose Hover as the trigger. Now you can fine-tune how your text behaves when someone moves their mouse over it. You can adjust opacity, filters, offset, and transforms by clicking the small pencil icons to the right of each option. Under General Settings, you can control how long the animation lasts using duration and how long it waits before starting using delay. For the easing setting, choose the feel of the motion. Default, ease in, ease out, or ease in out, depending on how smooth or snappy you want the animation to be. When you're happy with how the hover effect looks in the preview, head to the top right corner of the Elementor editor and click Update if you're editing an existing page, or Publish if it's a new one. Your text hover effect is now live on your site.